And now for this week's State of Trade in Star Citizen. The trading world breathed a sigh of relief as 3.6.1 reconnected Hurston to the trade network. Supply crunches are expected to subside as sources for limited commodities come back online. Metals are expected to see an increase in trade as titanium from Ariel is now purchasable and in higher supply. With Ariel back online, titanium supplies on Cellin are expected to increase. Gold is projected to see a minor uptick with multiple sources in the Hurston system, but with prices on par with Crusader's deposits, movement will be minimal. Vice commodities are expected to remain the same, as no major changes have occurred. Legal vice such as spirits and stims continue to be a minor commodity with major limits on their demand. Meanwhile, markets for illegal vices struggle to find sustainable demand, and are expected to remain valuable, but challenging. The market for gases sees the return of two major sources of acetine. Hurston's Moon of Ida is a major provider of the gas. With bulk traders flocking to Ida to purchase the valuable gas, stocks of acetine on Yela and Walla should see a decrease in demand, making them more viable for small to mid-sized traders. Minerals continue to lead the market with two new sources of the coveted Laranite. With Ariel being a major producer of the mineral, ArcCorp's Walla is expected to see a decrease in demand as merchants diversify their routes. Prices are expected to decrease slightly now that sources for the mineral have doubled. Diamond sees multiple sources again as Hurston itself is a major producer. However, with prices mirroring their ArcCorp and Crusader counterparts and fickle demand fluctuations, a spike in movement is slim. The same goes for Beryl and Corundum. Scrap continues to be an interesting player on the market, as its low buy-in, fair profit, and quick turnaround make it an ideal choice for the entry-level trader. Demand is expected to stay the same. And now for next week's forecast. Acetine from Ida is projected to see higher price fluctuations and a limit to its supply. On the opposite end, acetine is projected to have falling sell prices at Port Olisar, as well as possible demand caps put in place. Laranite and titanium from Ariel will most likely see a lower supply rate, with Laranite experiencing harsher fluctuations on both its buy and sell prices. The price of medical supplies is expected to climb, as all of Hurston's outposts will now be demanding the commodity, competing with Lorville and Area 18. As of now, only 2 locations produce medical supplies. The initial buy price may climb as traders saturate both port cities and outposts. Tune in next week to see the accuracy of this forecast. That's it for this week's State of Trade. Until next time, keep on trucking.